So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to be your most productive self. Now, one of the many reasons to being more productive is to maximize your output with the amount of effort that you put into doing something. And the reason why you want to do this is because through effort, you get experience, which results in learning, which in turn results into more effort. There's no definite formula to being more productive, but with these easy to follow tips, you'll be able to increase your productivity. And so without further ado, let's get into it. So firstly, you want to try to start as small as possible. So for example, at the start of every week, I use my weekly schedule page in Notion to list out the things I plan to do in that week. Not only does this partially serve as a to-do list and a reminder to do those things, but it's also a great start for anyone wanting to be more productive because it's super easy to set up and it really helps in letting you know things like whether you tend to overstretch yourself with tasks or what sort of prioritization method works best for you. So starting with something small like creating weekly schedules is the first simple step to becoming more productive, as you can take control of your time and allocate it for specific tasks every day. The second thing that you want to do is clear your mind and then go work on your task. In fact, there's a quote by productivity guru Tim Ferriss that goes something like this: "Being overwhelmed is often as unproductive as doing nothing and is far more unpleasant. Being selective, doing less, is the path to productive. Focus on the important few and ignore the rest." The idea of this quote is pretty straightforward. Take a walk, listen to good music, get some rest, chat with friends or family, recover some strength, and then go get things done. As Tim says, doing less and completing those tasks is way more productive than trying to do everything and getting nothing done. Thirdly, you want to learn how to prioritize your tasks. I use the words efficiency and productivity a lot in my videos, and I often correlate them as well. However, although efficiency and productivity can go together, they are not the same thing. Efficiency refers to the amount of work or resources that people put into doing something, while productivity is all about the amount of work that is done over the certain period of time. Keeping this in mind, sometimes one task is way more important than the other 10 that are sitting on your to-do list, which is why it's extremely important to learn how to prioritize them. And to do this is simple as well. You just use your daily or weekly schedule to allocate time for different tasks. The next thing that you want to do is make sleep a priority. Multiple studies show that a sufficient amount of sleep will improve things such as your memory, health, thinking, creativity, and much more. And let's be honest, none of us get the required amount of sleep every night because of our phones. But by going to bed early, you will allow your brain to refresh and recharge so that it can properly operate the next day, thus increasing your focus and your productivity. Lastly, make sure you pay attention to your diet. We need energy to fuel ourselves and do things to the best of our ability, but by missing important meals such as breakfast, lunch, or dinner, we end up screwing ourselves. Many people don't eat at certain times because they're in a rush, but even anything small such as a banana or an apple can serve as a boost towards how much work you get done. And no matter how much you eat, make sure that your diet is a healthy one so that you can work as well as you feel. So that's it for the video today, guys. If you learned something, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content, leave a like down below, and comment what you'd like to see in one of my future videos. And as always, thank you for watching.